Welcome to Multinet Design in the continuation of our new D project that we're working on. So in the last episode, we were able to start something proper from ground floor. Remember when we say the total land of what we are using is 9 meter by 30 meter. So then we move to the first floor where we were able to create the 3-bedroom. Remember, the ground floor is a single bedroom that contains kitchen and every other references activities. So in this particular we are going to continue by detailing the whole essential aspects so that we'll be able to understand before we now come up and put everything together. So in the level 2, we say the whole thing stops at here, so we need to move on level 1 and adjust it so that it will function well according to the way we should be. So what is the D that happened here is that we need to expand this. So I'm going to put this one here because that's how it works. So what I do is that I go to the elevation and see. So this is it. So now there's something I need to pay attention on, and that is what is happening here. So what is the total? So the height of this is what we have. So I think with this one, I think I'm okay. That is 19 points. Okay, it's able to accommodate the size of the door. So precisely. So if there's any other thing to do, I'm going to adjust that based on what we have. But for now, this is okay. So this is the kitchen. You can expand the store and give you more space. So I think with that, I'm okay. So now let's go to the upper floor where we are doing the D. So you can tag this one to this, so the room is there. So now what I need now is to complete this at this level, the move on. So I must say, because of the design and other, so I'm going to expand this to move. I'm going to taking it up for like, just get it done for 5. Now I'm going to say 600. So let's say 600, that's 2 feet precisely. So what I do is that I will take this one a little bit inside as well. So let's say B21. Okay, now I will cut it off here, then let it have the same thing join together with this. So I will move this off. Yes, I'll join this and then add this up to this position. I think with this now I'm done with what I need to do. So here I have what I need to put in place. So the next is that I'm going to introduce something here. Click this and say okay from here and have it like that. So check this to be able to balance the measurement. So I'm going to use 3,100 so that I have the normal dimension, or 3,200. Let's say that way. Okay, so in other words, this is going to be connected to this. When you click here, then you have it connected to this. So you just like click, you break this one into 2, then expand it here. So the process of designing is still the same thing. It's just really that I have to finish it off so that will give me the design which I'm looking for. So this is how the word is going to be. So I did this boundary. This is going to follow up like this. Yes, I still need to do something to this one as well, because this one still suit out a bit. So break it down now. Just say 3. Good. So here I have the same issue. So I'm going to suit it out. So from here too. So this one is 500. It's going to stop here too. Okay. So to accommodate the master bedroom because of the design procedure of what the clients needed. So continue. So break it into 2 here now. Okay. Then at the front side, I have like 600 to suit. Okay. So I'm going to say continue. So what else do I need now? I've already opened this expansion from here, so I'm going to expand this one and get it to be stay at this. So landing is going to be there, while this is continuing to be here, and everything is done at that ground floor level except for continuation that is giving me the okay. So now I will need to align where I need to align together. I think it's done. So click finish. So I have it now. So let me edit this wall. So I'm going to do that in a very quick. So I've done this one now. So click yes, adjusted. So from here you can now measure. So if there's anything you need to just like reduce this as 2.4. I think 2.4 is okay, or come reduce it to 2.3. Just say like 2.3 or 2.2. Let's say 2.2. Okay, so it doesn't have any alignment with this, but give the room more space. So now we do it by divide this one into 2. So what will happen is that you align this, not yet completed. So we're going to take now we need to put fixed door in most of them complete. So from here now we have the door to be fixed. So this one is going to be here because everything they are going to enter into this from here. So let me say when you enter, come to this because there's something you need to work on. So this one too is going to have its door. So what I'll do now is that you align, then whatsoever you do here, align it here. So I think break with the door completely. So here you do the same thing by bringing the door here, just moving, toggle it so that it will rotate inside. So align it to the wall. Now you click here and see. So you bring this one to the space. So this is the entrance. Let it be here. Then you do the same thing here. The entrance to be there. So you put the entrance there. Then the entrance to this one to be here. Now I'm going to change the toilet size or the doors of the toilets. Now this one's supposed not to be here. Now remember what I need to do. So I'm going to remove this. So change host. I'm going to pick host. Change the host because this is going to be from the yes. So I will extend this a little bit. Let's be going. So I think I have what I need to have here. Okay, so this is going to be aligned here. While we select here, select this, then select this, and I'll change them to toilet door. I don't think I have any toilet door in there, so let me use this one, then change the property. I say this one is the width is going to be then 2.1 if possible. You know, leave it out like that. So that's just the maximum. So let it be. So it's reduce and have that in place. So I'm going to align that to this, then align this one to the top. So I think with this now, I don't think I have anything to do with what I'm looking at on the ground floor because of the missing point of that. So let me just like this one is going to align to the ground floor. So go back there and see. Good. So select this and change this to what I have here. Toggle it and then align it here. Okay, so the same thing I'm going to do with this toilet door, where I change it to same thing here. So I think I have what I need to have now. So for the ground floor and for the first floor, so here I'm going to remove the base. So let me just be seeing the whole thing that I've already designed. So this is how far the ground floor looks like completely. So let me quickly put the what is it called now? We are going to put the windows so that we have the openings in completion. So for what I opening I have here is that I'm going to change this to the long side window, which is normal. So already there. So let me use this. So I'm going to say 2 and 2. So I'm going to have two here, another one, another two at the back here. So I'm going to have two here, two going to be here. Okay, that's how it goes. So here is going to be an open. I'm not going to have, so I'm going to have the same thing. So I remember, so the door, so I'm going to have it like that. Just one there. So go to ground floor plan and do the same thing. I think I have it already at the ground floor plan. So whatever I want to do here, it's going to take different effects and complete. So for this, let's quickly go to 3D and see how far the whole thing looks like. Fine for this one. So I'm going to select this and say copy, go to level 1, select everything, select all the stands here, then say copy to clipboard, come to level foundation, and they align everything to be here, the current view. So for to do is that you remove this and say, I think we have 800. Remember, this thing used to be 1000, so you say 800 to be aligned. So you select the doors and then remove everything that is here. Select all the stands and delete them. For the windows as well, select all the stands and remove them. So for those areas that are opening, just like use fillets, join them together. Do the same thing here. So I don't know, one of this is not working the way it's supposed to be, so they did this one. So what you just need to select again now, fix it once. So you go to the 3D again and see that okay, is it working? Fine. So I have the 3D here. Everything is in order, which is what I want. So I have my 3D in this. You can just like toggle and just check the shaded aspect and see if it's working well. Now the next I need to face is that I need to work on how the roof is going to be. So that is what we do, and let me quickly do that as a normal so that I'm going to know that I've configured the modules of this. So what does now need this to focus on my aesthetic and how I'm going to bring the beauty out of it. So now let's say I go to level 1, level 2, or level 2 now select all instance in this view. Or you select all, yes, select all instance in the view, doesn't matter, just select all instance in the view and say copy to clipboard. So here you go to desert elevation on any elevation you have. So when it's open, just worry that take more time because I've not opened it for a while. So the last half an issue. So and because of the graphics level. So this has been selected and then you pick up this and say create similar. So you click here and say another level. Now you change this, you rename this level to, just double click, then you change it to level 3. So I think that will be okay. Say yes, it's not needed. So now you go to that level 3 and then you say align to current view. Everything will be here. Now what you need is all the inside, something need to be deleted. Delete all. So you delete everything in between. Delete everything you have there. So then after which you select them like this, just select everything and delete them. So it's gone. So select all the windows here in this instance and delete all. So I don't need any window here again. So I have this place in place. Now the part is that I'm going to different entirely at this point. So I'm going to maintain this kind of design. Now what I do here is that these roofs, they are going to go down. They are not going to be of the same height here. So I'm going to select this roof. Yeah, so I will say this one is going to be 1200 for now. Very big. So I will now design my roof from here. Say roof. So you select this pick line. Pick all the lines internal. So understand. Sorry. Internal line. You pick them all. Then you go to the external and you select that. So you're not going to follow this pattern for this because this is going to cover everything outside. So you select this one to go down. So when you select everything, you remove the different slope, and at this level now you change this only particular slope of this. So, and you set divine slope for only this one, and you change the slope to 4. So when you click on finish, so you say do not attach. So this gives you room to continue to edit the word that's carry that particular side of the roof. So now what we do, so here I'm going to say, since that is only just 2, so I'm going to select it and change it again. And when I'm going to change this thing around, I'm going to change it to 6. So I think it's a flat, but it still have something. So I will check on the elevation. Is it the south? So let me use, okay, sorry, east. It's going to take time to do, but just take your time and let us look at it together. So this is it. So what I'm going to do is that I will push it up. So I've done that in section, but I will still later come and do it. So that's it. So from here now, you look at it from 3D, and then we have completed this aspect. This is the way the whole building looks like for now. Can you see? So the whole issue is that we have this in place, complete. So we are going to do a canopy, roof canopy at this level. It's not going to become a roof like this, so it's going to cover this space completely. They will work on the remaining one. So the next step I'm going to do now is to focus on the aesthetic. Our design and our pattern, we have already gotten what we need to get upon this design issue. So for this alone, we've done what we need to do. So next, we are going to now focus on the elevation. So before, if you have anything to do, just put your template here, rearrange them, the design, the pattern is already done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.